Here's the truth. 90% of Baccarat players lose, and it's not because of luck. It's because they're missing one skill that every pro player quietly uses. And no, this isn't about betting systems, card counting, or chasing streaks. It's something even more powerful: the ability to read momentum. Today, I'll show you how Baccarat momentum really works, and how it can completely change your game. What is momentum in Baccarat? In simple terms, it's the rhythm of the shoe, not a prediction, not a guarantee, just the natural flow of how player and banker hands bounce back and forth. Most players either ignore the rhythm or they get too emotional and bet against it. Pros, they recognize momentum early and ride it just long enough to profit without getting greedy. There are 3 types of momentum patterns top players track: linear momentum, smooth streaks, banker, 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 or player, player, player. Not magic, just math and psychology. Flip momentum, player, banker, player, banker. When the shoe keeps switching sides. Cluster momentum, mini streaks inside bigger patterns. 2 players, then 2 bankers, then another 2 players. When you see these forming early, you can adjust your bets before the casual players even realize what's happening. Here's the pro trick. You don't chase momentum, you confirm it. Watch for a pattern to repeat twice, then act. For example, 2 bankers equals potential streak. Player, banker equals confirmed flips. 2 clusters equals potential cluster shoe. Once confirmed, you enter with small bets and scale up slowly. Momentum isn't about winning every bet. It's about riding the smoother parts of the shoe where chaos is lower. And here's the golden rule that separates winners from emotional players: exit as soon as momentum breaks. Most people lose because they stay too long. Pros leave the moment the pattern cracks, even if they want just one more win. Discipline greater than prediction. Here's a simple momentum strategy you can try immediately. Watch the first 6 rounds. Identify the dominant rhythm. Bet only when that rhythm repeats. Stop betting when the shoe turns messy. Reset and wait. This alone can save you from so many unnecessary losses. So now you know the skill that 90% of players ignore. Tell me in the comments, which momentum pattern do you see the most in your games? Hit like, subscribe, and join Avantage Baccarat for the tournaments where momentum truly comes to life. Play smart, play disciplined, and I'll see you in the next round.